What's up guys, Dr. Phil here and welcome back to another episode of Field Garage. So yeah, it's been a minute and the world ended. Even me, I died 3 times and I'm fine now. Come on, I want to show you something. And there we find a wild Audi TT in its natural habitat. Now that's a beauty of a car, but there's a couple of things wrong with it, so let me show you. Very ugly dent over there, which needs to be fixed. I have no idea how they're going to fix it without having to respray the entire car. It blows my mind. Oh, that's a disaster. LCD screen is broken. We're going to attempt to fix this. Don't know if we're going to be able to. But just look at this mileage for a 2006 model Audi TTQS. That's amazing. Love it! Just look how pretty these are. But they need some spaces, so we're going to be doing that as well. There's a really retarded little sprayer thing over here that sprays water onto the light, which is actually missing. We need to replace that. So yeah, we kind of need to sell this car and we want to get it to a state where we are comfortable to let it go. But I don't really want to let it go, but it's got to be done. So if you want to follow us on the journey of getting this car to perfection, give the channel a like and a subscribe. It really helps. People don't really know how much it helps. And let us know in the comments if this is something you would like to see. And I'll catch you in the next video.